Welcome to my channel. My name is Kwabsa. I'm going to take you through the Maldives, a tropical paradise known for its stunning beauty and serene landscapes. Scattered like jewels across the Indian Ocean, these islands offer a glimpse into a world of pristine nature and unparalleled tranquility. Today we're exploring 5 breathtaking wonders that make this destination a must-visit for those seeking adventure, relaxation, or a harmonious blend of both. The waters surrounding the Maldivian islands are renowned for their clarity, a looking glass into a vibrant world teeming with life. As we dip beneath the surface, a kaleidoscope of colors greets us. Schools of vibrantly hued fish dart amongst the coral, their scales catching the sunlight as they move. Graceful rays glide effortlessly through the water, while curious sea turtles observe us with ancient eyes, their patterned shells a testament to their age. The coral reefs themselves are a wonder to behold, intricate structures built by countless tiny organisms over millennia. These underwater cities provide shelter and sustenance to a dazzling array of marine creatures, from delicate seahorses clinging to coral branches to black-tip reef sharks patrolling the outer edges. For the fortunate few, a glimpse of the ocean's gentle giants may await. Whale sharks, the largest fish on Earth, are regular visitors to these waters, their immense size belying their peaceful nature. Manta rays, with their wingspans reaching several meters, perform ballets beneath the waves, their movements both graceful and powerful. Whether you choose to snorkel amongst the shallow reefs or venture deeper on a scuba diving adventure, the crystal-clear waters of the Maldives offer an unforgettable glimpse into a world teeming with life and wonder. Imagine waking to the gentle lapping of waves against your private deck, stepping out to be greeted by an endless expanse of turquoise water. This is the reality of staying in a Maldivian overwater bungalow, an experience that redefines luxury and seclusion. Perched on stilts above the crystal-clear lagoon, these bungalows offer a unique connection to the ocean. Spend your days lounging on your private sundeck, descending steps directly into the warm water for a refreshing swim. As the sun begins its descent, witness a spectacle of color from the comfort of your overwater hammock. But the luxury doesn't stop there. Many bungalows come equipped with private infinity pools, perfect for a cooling dip under the Maldivian sun. Glass-bottomed floors provide a window into the marine world below, allowing you to observe colorful fish, and even the occasional reef shark from the comfort of your living room. Imagine enjoying a romantic dinner on your private deck as the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the water. Or perhaps you'll choose to indulge in a relaxing spa treatment, the sound of the ocean providing a soothing soundtrack. In the Maldives, overwater bungalows are more than just accommodation. They are a gateway to an experience, a chance to disconnect from the everyday and reconnect with the beauty and tranquility of the natural world. Beneath the surface of the Maldivian waters lies a hidden world of astonishing beauty and biodiversity, the coral reefs. These underwater cities, built by millions of tiny coral polyps, are home to a dazzling array of marine life. Hard corals resembling an underwater garden provide the foundation for this ecosystem. Their intricate structures offer shelter to countless fish species, each more colorful and uniquely patterned than the last. Clownfish peek out from the protective anemones while parrotfish crunch on coral, their beak-like mouths leaving trails of sand in their wake. Soft corals sway gracefully with the current, their feathery tentacles filtering plankton from the water. These vibrant corals, ranging in color from electric pink to deep purple, add another layer of beauty to this underwater tapestry. The reefs are also home to a variety of larger creatures. Reef sharks patrol the outer edges, their sleek bodies gliding effortlessly through the water. Hawksbill turtles, their shells adorned with intricate patterns, graze on sponges and jellyfish. But the coral reefs are more than just a visual spectacle. They are vital to the health of our oceans. They act as nurseries for countless marine species, protect coastlines from erosion, and play a crucial role in the carbon cycle. Step ashore in the Maldives and you'll be greeted by another kind of wonder beaches that epitomize paradise. Fine, white sand stretches as far as the eye can see, kissed by the turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean. The gentle sound of waves lapping against the shore provides a soothing soundtrack as you sink your toes into the soft, warm sand. Palm trees sway gently in the breeze, their fronds casting dappled shadows across the beach. Seek shelter under their leafy canopy during the heat of the day, or simply relax and listen to the rustling leaves as you lose yourself in a good book. The beaches of the Maldives offer a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Spend your days swimming in the crystal clear water, building sandcastles with loved ones, or simply basking in the glorious sunshine. As the sun begins its descent, take a leisurely stroll along the water's edge, collecting seashells and watching the sky erupt in a blaze of color. The beaches of the Maldives are magical at any time of day, offering a sense of peace and serenity that is hard to find elsewhere. As each day draws to a close in the Maldives, the sky transforms into a breathtaking canvas of color. The setting sun, a fiery orb sinking towards the horizon, paints the sky in hues of orange, pink, purple and gold. It's a spectacle that never fails to inspire awe and wonder. Find a secluded spot on the beach, or perhaps the deck of your Overwater bungalow, and witness this daily masterpiece unfold. The colors intensify as the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the water and turning the clouds into streaks of fire. The ocean reflects the colors of the sky, creating a mesmerizing mirror image that stretches out to the horizon. The air is alive with the sound of gentle waves and the calls of seabirds returning to their nests for the night. Whether you're sharing this magical moment with loved ones or enjoying the solitude of a solo adventure, the sunsets in the Maldives offer a sense of peace and tranquility that is both humbling and rejuvenating. They are a reminder of the beauty and wonder of the natural world, and a fitting end to another perfect day in paradise. There you have it, 5 breathtaking wonders of the Maldives. From the vibrant marine life of its crystal clear waters, to the luxurious seclusion of its overwater bungalows and the simple pleasures of its pristine beaches, this tropical paradise has something for everyone. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, the Maldives offers a chance to reconnect with nature and discover a world of unparalleled beauty. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel inspiration and interesting facts about the Maldives.